Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Samsung Galaxy SmartTag pairing with SmartThings app step by step clearly. To enable Samsung Galaxy SmartTag pairing with the SmartThings app, first, make sure your smartphone is connected to the internet. Next, ensure that your Samsung Galaxy SmartTag is charged or has a fresh battery. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. If you don't have the SmartThings app, download it from the Google Play Store or the Galaxy Store. Once the app is open, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. In the Devices section, look for the plus icon, usually located at the top right corner. Tap on the plus icon to add a new device. From the list of device types, select SmartTag. Make sure your SmartTag is close to your smartphone during this process. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your SmartTag into pairing mode. This typically involves pressing the button on the SmartTag until you hear a sound or see a light indicator. Wait for the app to detect your SmartTag. Once detected, tap on your SmartTag to begin the pairing process. You may be prompted to give your SmartTag a name during the setup. Choose a name that will help you identify your SmartTag easily. After naming, tap OK or Done to proceed. The app will confirm that your SmartTag has been successfully added to your device list. You can now view your SmartTag in the SmartThings app. To test the connection, try using the Find feature to locate your SmartTag. Your Samsung Galaxy SmartTag is now paired with the SmartThings app and ready to use. Feel free to explore other features within the SmartThings app to. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.